Make sure that you're quick and to the point. You literally have 5 seconds, if that. So you've got a short window of time to make a really big impression, which once again, it's super important to make sure you have a smile on your face. So get to the heart of what it is that you're trying to communicate. You want to make sure that you're fast, friendly, and efficient. It is super important to have all your ducks in a row before you even dial that number, know what you're going to say. And again, this goes back to making sure you have a quick script. Some companies are going to expect you to follow it verbatim. Most companies will give you a brief outline. And some companies like to go really deep into it because there are people out there that just really don't know what to say, and that's okay. So just have a little elevator pitch ready, super speedy little lift to the top. Okay. And then once again, hear them out completely. So if they're willing to share information with you, let them speak. Don't dominate the conversation. Again, this is a cold call and you're calling them right out of the clear blue. You might be interrupting their lunchtime. Maybe they're feeding the baby, but be graceful in that. If they do not have time right now, if they're not ready to talk, ask for a better time to circle back. Would tomorrow around 2 be better? If you have the opportunity, are you better with text message? If you are able to send a quick text message, I have found that a lot of times that's going to be just enough to open up the window. Maybe they're not phone talkers. COVID did a lot, right? It did a lot as far as being able to communicate via email, Zoom, text message. So I have found quite often people are more happy to share their information through a secured line via email or text message. And they are more happy to do that than they are to actually have an hour-long conversation on the phone. So if that is an option for you, your office, your agency, feel free to do that. Okay. And then always, always, always follow through. Follow through, follow up. And we're going to get to that section here in a minute. But your follow through, follow up is going to have weight. It's going to have merit. It's going to say, I didn't forget about you. In fact, I'm actually thinking about you. So when you're making cold calls, remember, it's like a treasure hunt, right? You found a little gem in the sand. You're going to go ahead and give them a call because you will have other leads coming in if you're doing it right. And we're going to talk about how to get reviews and referrals again here in a minute. So regarding cold calls, our quick breakdown: warm up the call, have your scripts ready if you need them, be quick and to the point. Again, listen to your customer client policy holder. Make sure you are actively taking notes in the right systems. And then follow up with finesse. Make sure that you are coming back to them, whether you've written that policy or not, checking in on them, asking for referrals and reviews.